students online. So we are going to study entrepreneurship class again. Does anybody remember what is the meaning of entrepreneurship?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, beta, what is the explain the meaning of that word?
Doing business and giving opportunity to others.
Yes, doing business is also called the entrepreneurship. So today what we are going to do is we are going to learn about the characteristics of entrepreneur. If you want to become entrepreneur, what are the characteristics you should have? That is what we are going to discuss today. Okay. So one of the characteristics we need to learn is called problem solving. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of problem solving? Hello, students?
Getting out of problems. To find solution.
Finding a solution for a problem. So can anybody tell me any problem our society is facing right now?
COVID-19 virus. Pollution.
COVID-19, exactly. Everybody is having a trouble.
Sir,
COVID-19 is a problem for our society, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we know what is the problem. Problem is COVID-19. Everybody is suffering from it. People are getting sick. Some people are, even face the death also because of this pandemic, which is very serious and dangerous for us. So now it is our duty to find a solution for that. You agree? So this is called problem solving. Problem solving is first we need to define what is the problem, and then we need to find a solution. That is one of the characteristics of an entrepreneur. So now since we know the problem which we are facing in front of us, now we need to find out what is the solution. So scientists are working on them. The scientists could be entrepreneur also, because now if you are solving that problem, that is one of the characteristics we have as an entrepreneur. You got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So remember everybody that we need to learn how to solve the problem. Now problem could be a society problem, or there could be a problem in our community or in our house or in our country or on our planet. Can anybody tell me what is the problem our planet is facing?
COVID-19. COVID-19. COVID-19.
COVID-19 is one problem we are facing as a community, as a planet, as a Earth planet.
Global warming. Global warming.
Global warming.
Air pollution. Pollution.
Yes, pollution. These are the major problems our Earth is facing. Does anybody know what is the global warming?
Pollution.
Yeah, pollution is one thing, because what's happening is, say it again.
Melting of iceberg.
Okay. Global warming means what is happening is that when we are producing lot of carbon dioxide because of the factories and the vehicles, that is warming up our air. When the air is getting heated up, the temperature of the whole earth is going up. And because of that, all the ice which is on the North Pole, South Pole is melting. And if all the ice melted, the sea level will rise. And the cities which are next to the water, they might go in the water. They might go under the sea. So that is the problem we are facing. Another problem we are facing is called pollution. Pollution is the carbon dioxide released by the vehicles. For example, you might have heard in the news that the air in Delhi sometimes is beyond breathable. It's a poisonous now. That much pollution is coming in the air. So these are the problems we are facing, right? Now we know the problem is there.
Yes,
now
sir.
we have to have a curiosity in our mind. How can we fix this problem? So can anybody tell me how can we fix the problem for pollution? Think, what can we do to solve the pollution problem?
Less use of machines.
Less use of machine is one option. But if we stop using the machines, then our production will come down. And if production come down, the things which we need, we will not be able to get it. So that is another problem. So is there anything we can do? We can still use the machine to reduce the pollution. Can we do something?
Using less vehicles.
Using less vehicles. Okay. So vehicle is the one producing the carbon dioxide, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are we burning in the vehicle which producing carbon dioxide?
Petrol. Diesel.
We are burning petrol which produces carbon dioxide, which is not good for the health, which is not good for the environment. So if we stop burning the petrol, automatically carbon dioxide production will go down, the air will become pure, right? So can we run the vehicle instead of petrol on something else?
Battery. Biodiesel.
Yes, it is called electrical vehicle. So instead of burning a diesel and petrol and producing a carbon dioxide and polluting our air, if we use electricity, battery charging mechanism for running the vehicles, then our pollution will go down. And this is called entrepreneurship. Whoever is coming with the solution for a problem is called entrepreneur. So if we produce electrical vehicles, for example, when you come in the school bus, what does the school bus use?
Fuel.
Yeah, most of our school buses are running on diesel. And when diesel is burning, it is producing carbon dioxide, it is releasing in the air, and we get the pollution and the air quality goes down, and it is harmful for our lungs when we breathe that carbon dioxide. So if we convert our buses into electrical buses, problem will go away. Right?
Yes.
So now
Yes,
we are going to think in that direction. Our government is also planning to convert all the vehicles into electrical vehicles in another 5 to 10 years. Already there are vehicles in the market which are running on the electricity. Have you heard of a car name called Tesla?
Yes.
Okay, there is a car in America now who is running 100% on electricity, and slowly those vehicles will come into all countries. Our country is also working on that. So our motorcycles, cars, buses, trucks, they are going to convert slowly into electricity, and we will be able to solve the pollution problem. Same way, global warming was another problem we discussed. That also can be solved. Can anybody think what can be done to solve the global warming problem? Does anybody know that the carbon dioxide in our air gets recycled by our natural system? And who does that? Who recycles the carbon dioxide
Plantation.
in our
Trees.
plantation?
Plantation.
Trees. So the problem of global warming can be solved by plantation, right? Remember, our school started a project where we are planning now 1 tree per year per student. Do you remember planting the trees in our campus?
Yes, sir. I remember them. Yes, sir. I remember them.
I am a citizen of
Sir,
our I just to solve the problem. So when you come back to the school, make sure this year's tree is also planted by your hand, so that you know you are helping the planet to stay green, stay cool, so that we can reduce the effect of global warming. So this is entrepreneurship. Wherever there is a problem, we need to come up with the solution. Those who are manufacturing electrical vehicles, those are the entrepreneurs coming up with the solution for the problem. Same way, those who are reducing the carbon dioxide by planting the trees, increasing the greenery, is also called entrepreneur. So you can, because all things are running online, you cannot come to the school. So how did we solve the problem?
Online classes.
Online
classes.
Now we are running online classes. All the students are attending the online classes, and because of that, we are able to get the knowledge what we are supposed to do, so that we don't lose the time, and we can study the books what we were supposed to do, so that you can get promoted into the next grade. So even though there was a problem, you could not come to the school, we still solve the problem by running the online classes. That is also called entrepreneurship. There are multiple softwares in the market, like example, we are using a Google Classroom right now. Like that, we can use Zoom meetings, and there are multiple different softwares can be used. And somebody thought about this, if there is a need for meeting the people remotely, how should we solve the problem? That's why video conferencing software was created, and that is the solution for the problem. And this is how the entrepreneur contribute to the society by solving the problem. So just remember today, solving problem is the characteristics we want to learn to become the entrepreneur in your life. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now, anybody has any questions? So everybody has to use this mindset. If there is a problem, we need to think how to solve that problem. So when you come to the school, whenever the school opens full time, you have to have your mind open. What is the society facing the problem? And you have to start thinking, what should be the solution for that? For example, when the electric bulb was developed by the Einstein, he has to experiment 2000 times. His experiments failed. And then finally the bulb was manufactured by him. That mentality, how can we solve the problem which our society is facing? That is the mindset we want to develop. And you can use that mindset in the job, at home, for the family, for the community, for the country, and ultimately for our planet. So that is what we want to learn. Problem solving skills. That is one of the skill required for the 21st century career. So everybody who is going to look for a job when you grow up, your employer also will ask, do you know how to solve a problem? Do you know this skill? So we are going to learn these skills which are needed for the 21st century. Things we are going to learn called innovation and creativity, which we'll learn into the next class. Everybody got the concept of what I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So are you attending all your online classes with your teacher?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you able to understand everything?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice,
Yeah.
nice. If you get any doubts, any problems, make sure you contact your teacher, ask them the doubt and get it resolved.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
Okay,
also make sure when you go out and come back, wash your hands, stay safe, wear the mask, social distancing, all these things till the vaccine comes. Vaccine is on the way. So once we get the vaccine, things will be much better, and we are hoping the schools also will open next year. From January, there is a plan to open the schools, and we'll see you back in the school very soon.
Okay, sir.
Till that time,
Okay, sir.
stay safe and
Yes, sir.
study hard, listen to parents, listen to your teachers, and we will see you back soon. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you for attending the class. I'm going to say bye now, and we will
Bye,
meet in the
sir.
next
Have a
class
nice
next time.
day, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.